boys. Today we're going to do a science experiment. Hit the drum roll, please. For the new experiment. It's how you can hear sound. No, it's how you see the sound. Oh, yeah. This is kind of like a physics experiment. You can see how sound travels. Like balls doing that. It's vibrating. Like it's making so much noise. When he does it so loud, like so much loud. Like this. For this experiment, we need a bowl covered with clean wrap or tiny clean wrap. Yeah, it doesn't matter what kind of bowl you're using. You're using a big one. And you're using rice and sprinkles and seeing which one I'm works. Eating them all. Me too, I'm going to eat one. First, I have to drop the rice in the middle of the bowl. He's eating a lot of sprinkles. Now let's see. No. It is working. Wait, can I try? Yeah. Okay. No. I'll do with the sprinkles and I'll do some talking near the bowl. Little bit. That's enough. Enough. Ready? Get set, go. Balabu, jibu. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Do you see how it moves? Look. No. They're moving like crazy, the circles. Like this. Boy. No. B-I. Challenge experiment. Do not eat. This is not the eating experiment. Yeah. Like this, if you eat one bite. Then you say bye-bye. But no, you're not doing it. You're doing that. No. What was the experiment there? The sound seeing experiment. I just forgot about that. No. You see how it's vibrating? I don't know how to say it. Vibrating. Yeah, look. No. And your noise is getting destroyed by it. Ready for the factum? No. Sound is a type of energy made by vibrations. You know any object vibrates? It causes movement in the air particles. Any object vibrates? It causes movement in the air particles. Like this. This movement called sound waves. You cannot see always the vibrations. When something's making a sound, some part of it's always vibrating. You see in our experiment, the sound waves made the rice vibrate. Try this. You can hear the sound and see the sound. Okay guys, after eating all those sprinkles, let's do some little exercise. Funny exercise move. grandkids. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, share, and whoever you share it, do the same stuff. Signing out with the dab.